ITIL has evolved with the way organizations work. ITIL version 3 focused on structured processes and service life cycles, while ITIL 4 introduced agility, practices, and value streams. ITIL version 5 takes the next step by unifying services, products, experience, and strategy into a single, value-driven framework. In this video, we explain what sets ITIL version 5 apart, the benefits it brings, how the certification framework is structured, and who it is designed for. Why ITIL was updated? ITIL has never stood still. But the pace of change today, driven by cloud, AI, digital products, and experience-focused services, demanded a new way of thinking. ITIL version 5 answers that need by connecting strategy, services, products, and experience into one value-focused framework. It is no longer about running processes efficiently. It is about enabling meaningful, organization-wide outcomes. Who is ITIL version 5 for, and why does it matter? ITIL version 5 is for professionals who do more than keep systems running. It is for those who connect services to outcomes, technology to experience, and IT decisions to real business impact. It matters because, in a digital world, value is created through alignment, not activity. Key benefits of ITIL version 5. ITIL version 5 is designed to deliver real-world impact. For professionals, it enables them to connect services, products, and experiences, make confident, value-driven decisions, lead transformation initiatives clearly. For organizations, it delivers greater agility, stronger governance, business-aligned IT services. ITIL version 5. Certification structure. ITIL version 5 uses a layered certification structure that supports progressive learning. It begins with ITIL Foundation, followed by ITIL Transformation, which connects different learning pathways. From there, professionals progress into ITIL Practice Manager, ITIL Managing Professional, or ITIL Strategic Leader, depending on their role and career focus. At the highest level, ITIL Master recognizes advanced expertise, while ITIL AI Governance supports emerging technology-driven environments. ITIL version 5 is not just an update, it is a complete evolution of service management thinking. The first ITIL Foundation version 5 certification will be available from 12th February 2026, with advanced modules rolling out in phases from March 2026. Visit our website to learn more about ITIL version 5, including certification details and updated modules. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest updates and insights.